Hi, my name is Wayne. I am an ASE certified master technician. I have over 34 years of experience. Today, you and I are going to help to repair your car. Today we will be working on a 1998 Acura Integra with a 1.8 liter dual overhead cam engine. Now our customer brought in this car with a severe misfire. The check engine light is flashing on and off. It exhibits a bad hesitation when we drive it. It stumbles. It has a loss of power. So this is something that we need to fix now. There are many causes which can lead to a misfire. Today, we're only concerned with our ignition system. For our diagnostics and our repair today, we will be using the Innova Pro Series scan tool, the Innova DVOM tester, spark plug wire puller, a 10mm 3/8 drive socket, a 3/8 ratchet, two different types of spark testers, our trusty flashlight, our safety goggles, and our safety gloves. With our scan tool connected, the red LED is on, which means we have a hard set code. And the code is defined as P0302 and P0304. So we want to look at number 2 and number 4 cylinders for our misfire. Our misfire diagnostics always begins with a visual inspection. A close inspection of the fuel injectors reveals that there's no problem there. The wires are connected well. There's nothing that would cause a problem that we can see at that point. The spark plug wires are connected correctly and tightly to the distributor cap. Well, I guess we need to take the cover off so we can look underneath at the other ends of the spark plug wires. With the wire cover removed, we can visually inspect the wires. Now we had a P0302 and a P0304, indicating number 2 and number 4 cylinders were misfiring. We're looking at the front of the engine, the timing cover area, that's number 1, and we continue back. The spark plug wires look okay from right here. So now we're going to pull the wires up and connect our spark tester. Now with our spark tester connected to a good ground, we're going to be looking for a spark across the gap. We could have used our Noid light spark tester, but then we would have to be sure the spark plug was good, because if the electrode is missing on the spark plug, we won't get any fire on the Noid light, and that would mislead us. We have our fuel system disabled so we don't push raw gas on our catalytic converter and into our engine. And we had no spark at our spark tester. So we're going to pull the spark plug wires off and we're going to ohm check them for excessive resistance or a crack in the insulation. To diagnose our spark plug wires, first we look for any obvious signs of cracking or arcing or the wire being loose within itself. That looks to be okay, so let's do an ohm check. We have OL, so we have a high resistance in the spark plug wire. Actually, we have an open circuit. So we're going to need to replace these wires. But we're going to check our new wires to make sure that our diagnosis is correct. We take our new spark plug wire and we're going to ohm check it. We have about 9 ohms of resistance, and that is far well within our factory specification for this vehicle. We're going to replace the spark plug wires, and this should make our repair effective. Now, since we had a problem with 2 of the spark plug wires, we're going to replace the whole set. We want to compare the spark plug wires to make sure they're the same length as the original ones. They appear to be correct. So now we will install them. We've replaced our spark plug wires, and now we're going to do the same test and see if we have spark. With our new spark plug wires on and the spark plug tester showing us that we have activity in the spark plugs now, all that's left to connect the cover on top, clear the codes, and road test it. We've road tested our car and we've run it through a complete drive cycle to make sure that our misfire monitor has not returned. The check engine light remains off and our misfire and sputter has been repaired. The vehicle runs well. Now, there are many other factors that can cause a misfire, and those we will explore in future videos. But for this vehicle, we repaired it by replacing the spark plug wires. We have professionally diagnosed this car, we have professionally checked this car, and we have professionally repaired it. Job well done. The keys go to you.